Everybody wants a 10K digital product business, but most people haven't even made one sale. Not one. So before thinking about passive income and quitting your day job, let's try to get your first sale. I'm going to give you one main AI prompt that helps you find products that people will actually pay for, and then 3 supporting prompts that will help you build it, write the listing, and get it posted fast. And the first one will take less than 60 seconds. And if you've watched tutorials, downloaded freebies, and maybe even made a product, but it's sitting there with 0 sales, you're not the problem. The approach is. AI isn't your creative director. It's your assistant. Bring it one real idea, even a simple one. And then use these prompts to validate demand first so you don't stop wasting 10 hours making stuff that nobody asked for. So let's start with a prompt that almost everybody skips, demand validation. And this works for any audience. Teachers, nurses, retirees, real estate agents, stay-at-home moms. It's basically anybody with a job or a hobby. And you're going to plug your idea into these prompts. It could be budgeting template for nurses, a client intake form for coaches or personal trainers, a checklist for first-time homebuyers, a workout tracker for women over 50. Whatever you know, whatever you've done, that's your starting point. Let me show you the first prompt. Prompt 1, it's the ideal validator. This first prompt is the one that saves you from wasting your time. So paste this into ChatGPT, Claude, or DeepSeek, whichever one you prefer. And I'll put this prompt in the description so you can copy it. So here's the prompt. I want to create a digital product about, and then insert your idea. Before I build anything, help me validate demand. Tell me who specifically would buy this and why. What problem does it solve, and are people actively searching for it? And 3, where do these buyers hang out online? 4, what would make someone buy this today instead of later? And 5, the simplest version I could test before building the full thing. Be direct. If this is a weak idea, tell me why and suggest one adjustment that would make it stronger. Now look at what this does. It forces clarity. Most people make products nobody asked for. They spend 10 hours in Canva, list it, and then crickets. And then they think, I guess I'm not cut out for this. No, you just hit something that has no demand. But this prompt fixes that first. So here's the validation post that you can copy and paste. Quick question. If you're a blank audience and you struggle with blank problem, would you spend $9 to $17 for a blank product type that fixes it in 10 minutes? I'm creating one this week and I'm looking for people to test it. So you take that question, you post it in Facebook groups, Reddit groups, Instagram stories, niche forums, wherever your buyers hang out. And you don't need 50 yeses. Another hack is if you want to do this on social media. You just need 1 yes to prove this model. Now prompt 2 is the product builder. Once you have the idea that passes validation, we build that product and fast. Prompt number 2. I'm creating a blank type of digital product for a blank specific audience that helps them with blank specific outcome. Create a complete outline including 1, a title that makes someone stop scrolling. 2, sections or pages with specific content for each. 3, quick wins they'll get within the first 2 pages. 4, one bonus that makes them feel like a steal. Output in each table with page, section, goals, content bullets. This should take someone 30 minutes or less to use. No fluff. And this is how I outline my KDP books, my Etsy printables, my templates, everything. And here's the key. You're not trying to make the perfect product. You're trying to make one small, specific, instantly useful product. Think checklist, template, swipe file, planner pages, or mini guide. Fast to create, easy to deliver, and easy to buy. If you do nothing else, do this. Run prompt number 1, post the validation message, and build the simplest version. And that's how you get your first sale faster than 99% of the people. Prompt 3 is the listing writer, because now we need to sell it. And this is usually where people tend to flop. They write descriptions that are almost silly, like this planner helps you plan. No one's going to buy that. Instead, use this prompt. Write a product description for my blank product type. 1, opens with a painful problem my buyer is facing right now. 2, shows what life looks like after using this. 3, list 3 to 5 specific things they'll get. And 4, it ends with urgency with a reason to buy today. Make it sound like a real person wrote it, so have it be conversational, no corporate speak. Now you'll copy and paste this into Etsy, KDP, Gumroad, Stand Store, wherever you decide to sell it. But here's a pro tip. I would ask for 3 versions, 1 short, 1 punchy, and 1 detailed. Then you can choose the best one. So prompt number 4 is the niche finder. So if you're stuck and you keep saying, I really don't know what to make, this is the prompt for you. So use this prompt. I have experience with blank job, hobby, or skill, and I want to create a simple digital product. And based on what I know, give me, and then you can type in 3 problems people in this space are actively trying to solve. 2, the simplest digital product format to solve for each one. And 3, who would pay and why would they pay today? And 4, one product I could create and list in under 3 hours. And then choose one idea only. Don't give me 20 options. Give me the fastest path to my first sale. This prompt is the fastest path to connect what you already know to something that people will actually pay for. And if you don't like the first idea that AI gives you, don't spiral. You're not shopping for the perfect business. You're shopping for proof. Just type, give me the next best idea under the same rules, and then run it again. And then you'll just pick the best one that excites you, and then you'll move on. A lot of people have been working jobs for 10, 15, 20 years. They've tried side hustles or making passive income. Nothing stuck, and now they don't trust themselves anymore to finish anything. This prompt is the fastest way to trust yourself again. Make one small product, get one sale, and prove it works. And once you have your product idea from these prompts, you need to see what's actually selling and what's working. And to do that, you can go straight onto Etsy. I actually found 8 shops making over $100,000. 2 of them have made over $1 million, and all of them sell digital products. And I broke down exactly what makes them sell. So you can check that out right here. And here's a quick tool rundown so that you don't overcomplicate this. For AI, I rotate between ChatGPT for outlining and brainstorming, Claude when I want more natural writing, and sometimes DeepSeek because it has different angles. You don't need to use all 3. You just pick one and move on. And one more thing about pricing. Your first product should be cheap on purpose. $9, $12, $17, that's still a little bit too high. Think 1, 3, 5. Remember, you're not trying to get rich off one product. You're trying to prove someone will actually pay for something that you've made. And once you get that first sale, or even better, that first review, you can start to raise your prices. But first, get the proof, get one sale. For building the perfect product, Canva is enough. For printables, planners, templates, and guides, they even have pre-built templates. If you're listing on Etsy, you can try the research tools Everbee and eRank, which can help you as a sanity check to see what's already selling. And Placeit makes some really great mock-ups, but these are all optional. The point is speed to your first sale. Small product, specific buyer, post it, and validate it. Tools are not the business. And honestly, the best research tool is just scrolling Etsy, Amazon, TikTok. Scroll through with your eyes, go into the comments, see what people are talking about, see what they like. Look at what's selling, read the reviews, see what people are complaining about. There's a lot of ideas in the bad review section, and this is where your best products live. So let's recap the whole system. Validate demand before you build. Outline the product so it actually helps someone. Write a description that makes people want to buy. And if you're stuck, use your job or hobby to find a niche. But stop making products that nobody's asked for and start with these prompts. I'm going to put all these prompts in the description down below. So copy them, use them, and go get your first sale. You don't need another course. You don't need to learn a whole new skill. And you definitely don't need 6 months to get ready. You need one product, one sale, and one proof point. And if you want to see the easiest AI side hustles for beginners to start in 2026, watch this video next. And I'm starting a new series where I turn hobbies into hustles, so let me know what job, hobby, or skill you want to see turned into a hustle. Put your hobby in the comments down below. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.